Now, if you caught my other video, you'll know I received Sisley's first ever advent calendar. And I wasn't sure how I was gonna share the products with you, but here's how it's gonna go. We are going to go through all 25 products in this one video. So if you don't have time to watch it through to the end, bookmark or save for later so you don't miss anything. So let's get started. Day one is one of my favorite products, Black Rose Cream Mask. I love using this just before an event. I put it on for about 20 minutes, wipe it off, put my makeup on, and I have like a glowing complexion for the whole night. It's definitely a good one. Day two is a sample of their Eau de Soir perfume. Now, I don't know anything about notes. I didn't research this product ahead of time. I just know what I like and what I don't like. This one I like. Okay, so I've tried some of Sisley's hair products before and I love them. This is their Revitalizing Volume Shampoo. I've used it before. It's a good one too. All Day, All Year is their day 4 product. I have been using this ever since I started wearing Sisley for a couple of years. It's their anti-aging protection. Love it. Love how it makes my skin look radiant. This is a keeper for me. Oh, perfect. I need one of these. So this is their Sisley Compact Mirror. It's got a regular, I won't shine it on you. It's got a regular mirror and a magnifying one. Very practical. 6 is their Black Rose Precious Face Oil. I have tried this. I was never a huge face oil person until I tried their product. I ran out, so I'm glad they have a cute little sample, but this is a really nice one too. Day 7, we have their Concentrated Firming Body Cream. I have also used this. I love how luxurious it is and how moisturizing it is without feeling greasy. It absorbs right into the skin and it just gives it a nice sort of dewy, moist feel. Another good one. Okay, for day 8, this is a product I haven't tried. It is one of their soaps, and the scent is what reminds me of Sisley. It has that Sisley smell. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know what it is, but so yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this out. Day 9, we have their Hair Ritual, so a hair product, and this is their Revitalizing Fortifying Serum. This I haven't tried yet, so I'm gonna take a little peek at it. Like I said, I tried some of their hair products. I really like them. So I'm not exactly sure what this does, but if it says it's a fortifying serum, I'm assuming it's a fortifying serum. For 10, oh, we have their Phyto Lip Twist. I have a few of their Phyto Lip Twists. I really like them. So let's see what color we have today. Where does it say? Number 1. Let's take a look. Oh, I love that. That is going to get a lot of wear. I don't think I have number 1. I have something very similar, but I really love them. I love the feel of them on my lips. I love the lasting power. So yeah, this is another one that's going to get used. Thinking to myself that it feels like Christmas opening all these, but I guess that's kind of the whole point, isn't it? Okay, so for what are we on? Day 11, we have their Firming Concentrated Serum, which I've used before. I used it whenever I have it. I think I have like a few samples left. It's another good one. I mean, you're probably sick of me saying that, oh, this is a great product, this is a great product, but this is why I love Sisley so much, because I honestly haven't experienced a product that I don't like. For day 12, we have their Buff and Wash Facial Gel. Okay, this is something I haven't tried yet. I have another cleanser of theirs, but it's more of a milkier consistency, so I'm excited to give this one a try. Day 13, we have their Gentle Makeup Remover for their face and eyes, all skin types. I actually have a sample of this somewhere in one of my drawers. I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know what I'm waiting for. 14, we have their Phyto Rouge Shine Sheer Color and Hydration. Okay, so I have a lot of these as well in a variety of different colors. I love the packaging. I love that it comes with this little velvet case. I love that. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. What color do we have here? 21 Sheer Rosewood. I don't think I have Sheer Rosewood. Oh, another thing. So these are replaceable. So you can keep sort of like this cute little case and just replace it with a different color. I don't think that I have this one, but look how pretty that color is. Yeah, I definitely don't have this one. So sorry, my hands are sort of in the way, but yeah, that's a nice one. Day 15 is their Bath and Shower Gel. I haven't tried this yet. I haven't tried any of their, oh, it's closed. I was gonna open it and smell it, but I'm sure it smells like all their Sisley products. It's all wonderful. Day 16 is their Izia fragrance. This is the one that I have and I really like it. Like I said before, I don't know much about fragrances and notes, etc. But this is great because I don't travel with mine because it's a larger bottle. So I'm going to enjoy bringing this when I travel. Day 17, we have their Black Rose Skin Infusion Cream, Plumping and Radiance. I've tried this before. I like it. Like I said, it's consistently, I love every product that Sisley brings out. 18 is their nutritive lip balm. So this isn't a product that I've tried before. So I'm excited because I ran out of my lip balm. It doesn't feel sticky. So if you're interested, let me know and I'll let you know what this is like on the lips. Day 19 is another hair care product. It is their hair care oil. I have not tried this one out yet. So I'm going to give it a go. And if you're curious, just DM me and I'll let you know how it goes. Almost done. We're at day 20 now and we have their Velvet Sleeping Mask. I have spoken about this product all the time. I am never without it. I love putting this on before I go to sleep. I do it about once a week, sometimes twice if I just want something really luxurious on my skin. I just wash my face, put the Velvet Sleeping Mask on kind of everywhere, and you just wake up with the most beautiful skin. Day 21 is their Lintegral Anti-Age Day and Night. And I have to be honest, I just love everything in a cute little package. Look how cute this little jar is. I have the full size of this. I mean, it's just adorable. Day 22 is another fragrance. I'm gonna try and say it properly. L'Eau Rêvée. Not sure if that's how you say it. Fragrance I haven't tried yet, so I'm gonna give it a little spray. Ooh. Oh, I like it. It's really fresh. Like I said, I don't know much about fragrance, so I don't know what notes I'm smelling, but yeah, I like it. Day 23 is their mascara. Curling Fortifying #1. I have fake lashes, so I don't wear a lot of mascaras, but I've tried this in the past and I really liked it. A wand here. But yeah, it works and it works well. Day 24 is their Anti-Wrinkle Concentrated Serum. Yeah, I use this often. It's a great little serum. Yeah, I can't complain about any of them. Are you ready for day 25? It's Christmas Day. The Lintegral Anti-Age Cream. What a way to end this advent calendar. So there you have it, all 25 days. If you have any questions about any of the products I've shown, like I said, I've tried most of them, but for the ones that I haven't, I'm going to be playing with them over the next couple of weeks. Just DM me or leave me a comment below and I will keep you posted.